Hi, I'm Colin with Blue Marble Consulting. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how commercial project management by SAP helps project managers handle resource requirements in an engineering and construction scenario. I'll be going through 7 different areas. We'll start by creating an opportunity for a project, then adding that to a master project, going through financials and estimations, creating sales order, executing transactions, monitoring and forecasting, and then finally wrapping up with billing. So to start, we'll create an opportunity. And to do this, from our dashboard here in NetWeaver, we can go to CRM Overview, go to Opportunity, enter in our pertinent information about this new particular opportunity that we have, and then we'll go ahead and save this. It's as simple as that to create a new potential opportunity. Now next we'll add this to the master project. To do this, we'll go down to our master project button icon on the left. And within here, we can add this to our master project. To do so, we'll enter in information about our particular opportunity, and we'll hit save. Now we'll pull it up down here using search criteria. We'll search for this, and it will pull it up right down here. And now from here, we can add this to our project, our master project. And you can also view team details as well. So right now we can see that as a new opportunity, we don't have any team members listed on this project. So to add in different members, we can go to this copy from master project and copy from a different project that we have right here. Click OK, and then this will bring in all of the different members for this particular project into our new project. Now here we're looking at our cross-project view, and we can take a look at all the different projects that we have going on. You can click on any one of these to pull up details related to the project. And so we'll open up this new construction project that we just created. And by clicking on this team overview button here, it's a little difficult to read, but we have all of our different areas within the project and the different team members involved with each of those, along with their information. So next we'll go into bidding and estimation. And first thing we'll do in here is create a financial plan. So this is from our dashboard here. We can go to financial plan and then pick a plan scenario. For this, we'll look at the plan scenario for WBS and NWA for the month. We'll enter in our information when we want to plan this from, the currency, and other information. From here, we can copy in a plan that we already have created. So we'll go to Copy Plan. We'll pick another plan ID that we have, click OK, and then this will bring in this other plan version that we have. And then we'll just go ahead and save this. We can see that that was saved successfully. In addition, we can also view this plan. We can view this in Excel by clicking on that plan button. We'll choose the default workbook that this gets exported to, and we'll just open this up. And here is our financial plan exported into Excel. And we can scroll down and view all the information related to our particular financial plan. Next, we'll take a look at how to create a sales order. So we'll go into our cross-project view once again. Then we'll right-click on this and go to View Details for our project. And from here, from this launch button, from our dashboard, we can go to Create Sales Order. Very simple. Then we can enter in information, our sales organization, distribution channel, and division, and the order type. And we'll just go ahead and hit Enter. Then this will bring up the overview for this sales order. You can also then add in pertinent information like a particular element of the project that we would like this assigned to. We can also then create a milestone for the billing plan, and in this scenario we'll create 3 different milestones, first for the partial billing and then the final for the closing invoice. So now we have this whole overview for our billing plan for this sales order. And now once we're back at our dashboard, we can see this order listed in the overview. Next, we'll take a look at execution of different transactions within SAP. So we'll go to our overview once again, and from our master project structure here, we can use this drop down to launch any one of these transactions. So we'll take a look at the project here in CJ20N, and from here we'll be allowed to release this project, which will allow for actuals to be posted to this particular project since we just created it. We can see now that the system status is showing us that it has been released. Next, we can also create a purchase order from the same area. So just use a drop down to create the purchase order. And it's as simple as just entering information into this screen and then hitting save to create that purchase order. Then finally, we'll do a goods receipt in just one click for this purchase order. So we'll use this drop down again and then just click on this goods movement, which is transaction MIGO, and then we will have created a goods receipt. Now we'll take a look at monitoring and forecasting. And so we'll go back to this cross-project view, and this is where the project manager again can take a look at all the progress from all of the different projects that they are assigned to from this one screen. So we can go to this overview icon right here and go to status and trends, and we can view overall status for a particular project. We can see what its trends are, what its state is. We can also scroll down and view other information as well, and then other free text fields that information can be added into. Now we'll take a look at our financial plan for our forecast. So we'll open this up, and again we'll open this up into Excel, and we can look at the forecast for any one of these periods. We'll just go with October, and again here you can view it in Microsoft Excel. You can zoom into that as well to view that a little bit better. Now finally we'll take a look at billing, and SAP facilitates the creation and implementation of contracts with customer-specific pricing and billing plans. So we'll go back into our overview here and open up our project using this transaction. And so what we're looking at right now is one of the milestones that we had created, this first billing right here. So we're just checking that in the project builder. Next we'll go into back to the overview here, and we can go to create billing document from this drop down. And then from there we can take a look at a print preview to see that particular billing document. So in this demonstration we went through a few different things: how to create a new opportunity and add it to a master project, creating financial plans, creating sales orders and assigning them to particular projects, how to execute different transactions within SAP, how to monitor and forecast your project, and then finally how to go about billing for your project. And so that concludes the video. If you have any questions or